Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm good too. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very grateful and thankful you come back to view this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 different methods on how to start knotless box braid, and at the same time I'll be showing you like 3 different sizes. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you doing? Welcome. My name is Tui. Before you leave, consider subscribing and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it may increase the chances of other people to see my video. So the first method I'll be showing you, I'm going to fade in only 3 times, and this section is not too small. So to start, I'll start by dividing the natural hair into 3 sections. Try as much as you can to make even, and then here you may decide either to start braid from right or left, wherever. So after the first step, I'm going to turn my hand so that it will be easy for my another hand to grab under section on the other side, so my hand will be free. Here I'll be starting to add hair direct. This is how I hold braiding hair. My thumb finger and my index will open so that it will be easy to keep a little space in between so that I can press or I can place my braiding hair into my thumb and my index finger on other hand that hold my hair. Again, I hold my braiding hair like this. I place this braiding hair in my thumb finger and my index finger, and then I'll continue braiding. The third section I'll be adding on top. Then this other section I'm going to grab it with my middle finger, and at this point I'm going to start tuck hair, because in this point you don't want natural hair to show it out anymore. So what I'm doing here is every time I'll try to cover natural hair, and when you cover your natural hair you have to pull your braiding hair like aside so that natural hair will be under, and then keep braiding. Every time before you braid you have to make sure you pull natural hair a little inside, and then braiding hair be back so that it will be very easy for you to cover your natural hair, and continue braiding. And if you find at this point all these 3 strands they're even, so you don't need to borrow hair from right side or left side. Once you started this knotless, you're going direct through till end without borrow hair from any other side. Here what you have to consider is only cover natural hair. And this method is the best for those who braid knotless but short, the length up to back, and big knotless. This method is the best, and this is how the hair looks like. You may see all natural hair is back and out, only braiding hair showing. So here I'm going to show you another second method. At the same time I'm going to fade in only 3 times, but here the way I hold hair is a little bit different compared with first method. Here I'm going to add hair under. So the way I go, I'm going under. I hope the more you watch you'll understand more. So here I hold hair with one hand while this other hand hold hair. The last 3 fingers help me to hold the braiding hair more so that I can turn my hand and pass another section on my other hand, just like this way. You see the way I hold, and then my hand at this point is free so that I can add another section. My last 2 fingers hold, then I release my thumb finger, Then I pull the braiding hair so that I can turn my hand and hold another section which my left hand hold. And then this is the last time to feed in. And at this point, when you just started, in the beginning, the natural hair will be showing, and after you go like 10 steps, you'll start tuck your hair. So in the beginning, your natural hair or your client's natural hair will be showing. Then here I'm going to try every time when I braid, I will tuck the natural hair in. And at this point, if you find I change direction, I'm not going up because I find like continue braiding for me. Braid like this way is a little bit faster than going like the direction I started with. So here slowly I'm going to continue braiding. And all this method, hair does not show out, though it's not bad when you do knotless. Natural hair show out, but once you cover, the braiding hair looks even more beautiful, especially if the hair you're braiding is natural, because natural hair is very easy to show out or to be messy after several days. So to cover hair under, that's the best option, more than to just let the hair showing on top. So the last method, I'm going to feed in 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times. This method is the best for those people who want long length. Like people, they want the length to be up to their back or their knees. This method is the best because first you're going to add few hair, and the second thing is you're going to add few hairs, so you'll not cause too much tension on the client's hair. So here I'm going to braid the first 6 steps without adding any hair. After 6 steps, I'm going to start add hair, and the amount of hair I'm adding here is very small compared with the first and the second method. The way I hold the hair before I add, just the same way like the way I add on the first method. And then I braid 2 steps, then I add hair again, then I continue braiding. In this method, the color looks like a little bit like ombre, especially when you use different color with the natural hair. I mean, if the natural hair is maybe black and you use other color, let's say maybe pink or brown, this method gives hair looks like ombre. And it's very easy to get long length. So if your clients want long length, I think this method will be the one which I would suggest, or which I normally like to use, because end of the day the hair will not too heavy and I'll not cause too much tension on client's hair. But if you use method number 1 and you put like too long, the tension will be too long. It's very easy to cause hair breakage on your client's hair, so that's not good. So here what I'm going to do is tucking hair in, and I will repeat the same thing till I finish braiding this hair. Just simple and easy like this. Once you know how to start the braiding, going down, that is the most easy. And please let me know in comment section like which method works well for you. If it's method number 1, 2, or 3, please let me know in comment section. And at the same time, if you find this video is useful, please consider subscribing and give this video thumbs up. So here is all the 3 methods. You may see how this method looks like, not far from each other, but every method is a little bit different. And you may see on top you cannot see any natural hair, but in back you can see hair like this. This 3 method can move all sides. If you want to style your client's hair, maybe back, side to side, or front, this method hair can move well, just like you see. And guys, thank you so much for watching up to this time. I hope you find this video is useful. Please share with your loved one. I love you so much. Bye bye.